Hello friends, this is PC Mentor and today I will show you how to fix the USB of the incorrect size problem. So let's get started. This is the USB of the incorrect size. As I have opened it, now I'm gonna check its properties. So here, as you can see, it's up only 2 MB. So click OK. Now I am going to format it. So the format is completed and it is again showing the incorrect size. So now let's move to the solution. Open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Click on yes and here we go. Now enter this command. Now type assign and hit enter. Now I'm gonna close the command prompt window, and here as you can see, the removable driver is being restored to its original size. If my video helped you in solving this problem, so like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.